Motion AI is marketed as the number one productivity platform for the AI era, and it lives up to the claim for professionals and teams. It combines task management, project planning, calendar scheduling, meeting notes, and document organization into one app, all powered by AI. The task planner automatically prioritizes deadlines. The calendar assistant time blocks your day and replans when things change. And the meeting note taker produces accurate transcripts and action items. Users praise it for reducing stress, improving focus, and even helping those with ADHD manage their workflow more effectively. The downsides are, of course, pricing, cost, and complexity. It is subscription based and may feel overwhelming for casual users who just want a simple planner. Overall, Motion AI is a legitimate, powerful daily planner app that saves time and boosts productivity, especially for busy professionals and teams.